Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritstar. I hope you guys are doing well. So I have something really exciting today. Rene Cosmetics sent me a box of their products. So this is not a paid promotion, by the way. It's just that they have sent me some products and I wanted to try them out on camera with you guys. So here is the box and these are the products that I have sent inside. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the things that I got inside this box, and I'm also going to create a makeup look using these. Also, they have launched these lip and cheek tints. So I'm going to swatch them for y'all. So stay tuned, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel because that would really mean the world to me. And now let's get started with the video. So firstly, they have sent me 5 lip and cheek tints. I think these are the new launches and these are supposed to be enriched with vitamin E. So these come in cute little plastic jars and the texture inside is like this. This is the texture. It's sort of creamy, very moisturizing. They retail for rupees 750. The price and all is mentioned in the bag, and this will last you quite a long time because they are quite pigmented, I have to say. What I like the best about these tints is that they come in 5 unique shades. There is a caramel nude, which is a slightly caramelish orangish color. Then there is a red. There is a nude pink. Then there is sort of an orange color. And again, then there's a pink. So color wise also they have sort of kept a lot of different shades, which I think is amazing because it's gonna suit a lot of skin tones. So you can choose whichever one you want, whichever suits your skin, your complexion, and you would be good to go. And as I said, these are very pigmented, so you just need a little amount. So these are going to last you for a long time. So that's how I feel about the lip and cheek tints. Now I'm going to swatch them for y'all, but before that, keep in mind that I have swatched them on sort of bare skin. I only used a little concealer under my eyes and on my forehead, but my cheeks are completely bare. So I did minimal makeup, which I would generally do if I had to go out on a normal day, and I used the lip and cheek tints over that so that it's easier for you to understand. So yeah, let's go and see some swatches now.
About how you were with my parents, yeah, and changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy, that was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings?
While you guys were watching the swatches, I put on some foundation and now I'm going to try the next product. These are the Fab Face Beauty Sticks from Rene. Now they are basically 3-in-1 makeup product which comes with lipsticks, cream blush and also eyeshadows. There are 2 variants of it. One is called the nude and the other one is called the diva. They're basically pop-in push type things like the rubbers and pencils we used to have as kids. So you basically pop it, and then if you want to go to the next product, you push it out and then again push it from below, so the next thing comes out, and that's how this rolls. It's quite cute and fun, I have to say, and I think it's quite handy if you don't want to carry a lot of products in your bag. how effective this is, that we are going to try it out and see. But otherwise it's really travel friendly, and it's also quite cute and quirky. I haven't tried them out on my face yet, so I'm really excited. Let's try, which one should we try? Let's go in with the nude one today, I think, because it's daytime, it's going to be more appropriate. So let's start with that. So the first thing I have here is the eyeshadow, which is a nice rose gold color. So I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. The texture is quite creamy and smooth, and I like that, you know, it's very natural looking. It's not very on the face, and I don't think you need a second eyeshadow to blend it out. You can just use your fingers and blend it out like this. And it also doesn't look like it moves around a lot. You know what I mean? I don't think it's gonna get smudged. I feel it's gonna dry down in some time, so let's hope. Now let me put it on my other eyelid as well. Next I'm going to use the blush from here. This is in a sort of a peachy pink color, so let's try this. I also got this highlighter in the box, so I'm going to try this out as well. This is in the shade Gold, and this is how it looks. This highlighter is really creamy. It's not very blingy, it's very subtle. So if you're looking for a subtle glow for everyday wear, then this is a good purchase. But if you're somebody who wants really a lot of intensity, then I'm not sure you're going to like this or not, because as you can see, it's not that visible. In real life, like in the mirror, I can see that it looks natural, but on the camera it's not showing at all. Like if you want a natural glow for a daily basis, then this might be a good match. Otherwise, like if you want more intense highlighter, then this is not it. So next I have the lashes. These are 3D reusable, handcrafted and cruelty free lashes from Rene. This is known as Fine Kirsten. And let me just unbox this. So this is how the eyelash looks. I'm going to try it on, but before that let me put on some mascara and then I'm going to put this on. The lashes are quite good. They come in 2 layers. That's why I think it's called the 3D eyelashes. And you know, normal lashes have 1 layer of lashes. Here there are 2 sort of tiers, one on top of the other, so it gives more volume, and at the same time I think it looks quite natural and nice. I like them. And next, moving on to the lipsticks, we have to go back to the Fab Face Beauty Stick, and this one is a mauvey nude color. I'm going to put this on my lips. This lipstick is washing me out. I don't like the shade on me, and at the same time I don't like the formula. It's a little bit too creamy for my liking, and the pigmentation is sort of moving around. It's not staying put that much. It's a little bit oily. I'm going to change it and use one of the tints from their lip and cheek tint range. This is in the shade Pandora Pink. By the way, these are not transfer proof. They do transfer, but they are quite creamy and quite moisturizing, so it's almost like a lip tint but also a lip balm. And I also have a lip gloss here in the box. This is known as Pink Pow Wow, so I'm going to put this on top of this tint. This one smells like a vanilla, almost like a cake frosting, but it's a very subtle smell. It's not overbearing, and I quite like the color of the lip gloss. And here is how the final look turned out. It's quite natural. It's like I have not used a lot of product today. I've kept it as low as possible, as minimal as possible, but I quite like how it looks. Now, out of all the products that I tried out, the lip and cheek tint has to be my favorite. I love all the shades. I love the pigmentation. I love how it gives a natural flush to the skin as well as the lips. And even as lip tint, as I said, it's quite moisturizing, so I really like that. And the next favorite has to be the lip gloss. I really like the color and the payoff of the gloss, the pigmentation, and it's quite like a cute pink color. I don't like glosses on myself, but I really like this color, so this has to be my second favorite. And the third favorite has to be these lashes. As I said, they look quite natural and it's giving me a lot of volume, so I really like them. Let me know in the comments down below which one were your favorites and which one you would like to try. I'm going to mention everything down in the description box below and give you links to everything that I tried today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.